guys, how to make some lemon baked turkey wings. It's almost Thanksgiving. It will soon be Christmas. Shelly's Bikkle blend is on the way, coming soon to Shelly's BikkleSpices.com. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and support your girl upcoming business. In this video, I seasoned my turkey wings with my all-purpose blend. Cleaned my turkey wings, removed the little fin areas, and I use Shelly's Bikkle blend. No salt or MSG is in this blend, so make sure if you use chicken bouillon or chicken stock or beef stock, you will need to add additional flavor, either salt, chicken bouillon, or beef bouillon, whatever you choose to add flavor to your meal. This all-purpose blend is salt-free, MSG-free, natural herbs and spices in this blend. Rub the seasonings in. I use a little olive oil on this and added additional seasoning, and this is what the seasoned turkey wings look like. For baking, I did thyme, scallion, onion, lots of garlic, because turkey is a meat that takes a long while to prepare. This meal took 2 hours, almost 30 minutes, almost 2.5 hours to bake. And I did not use lemon pepper. What I used is the natural lemon juice from the lemon. Drizzled the liquid from the turkey bacon over it for it not to be dry, because turkey is a very dense meat. I am not a turkey fan, but listen, these wings were slamming, jamming. These wings were the bomb. Look at it. White meat, fall off the bone, quick and easy. Yes, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Not really quick and easy, but it's not hard. Cover, leave in the oven, and just set your timer. And this tastes better than lemon pepper because what? I use the natural lemon juice. Dinner is served: a 1/4 cup rice, turkey wings, bok choy, carrots, cho-cho, yes, string beans or green beans, and there is a balanced meal. Not 2 or 3 cups of rice, and some roasted lemon on the side. Listen, you too should try this recipe for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Seasoned and flavored with blends from Shelly's Bikkle. Coming soon to Shelly's BikkleSpices.com. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you don't like turkey, try this lemon baked turkey wings. Don't forget, more giveaways coming in October. If you've made it this far, then you will like, share, because you might be next in line for October. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Thank you guys, and don't forget to support your girl upcoming small black owned business for my blends. Bye.